Breeze blocks are a mid-century design icon and a staple in Mexico modern architecture. Breeze blocks are also one of the most versatile building materials that you can incorporate into your project. Breeze blocks offer an elegant solution for providing space separation, light distribution, and privacy. When building the Clay Imports Artist Residency and Ceramic Studio in San Miguel de Allende, I wanted to enhance a standard stairwell wall that was planned for the project by building it out of breeze blocks. Building the stairwell wall out of breeze blocks addressed three problems. 1, ensuring airflow between the upstairs and the downstairs. 2, providing privacy between the spaces. And 3, creating a safety wall so that no one fell off the stairs. Successful design is when form and function work in perfect harmony. There are a couple of particularly interesting things about this project. Firstly is the unconventional use of mixing breeze block patterns. And secondly is the size of the wall. This wall is 13 feet wide and 14 feet tall, and breeze blocks are only about 2.5 inches thick. This created some technical challenges that required the use of various supporting materials and connection points. The size allowed for the use of mixing breeze block patterns within the installation, creating a truly unique project. The project used a combination of Pétalo and Ventana blocks, which complement each other well and create a subtle complexity. When it comes to mixing patterns, the most important thing to remember is to make sure that the breeze blocks that you're using are the same thickness and size. Though there are no design limitations on how you can mix patterns, we do have some general rules. Use less of the more complex pattern. This project uses 2/3 of the minimal Ventana pattern and only 1/3 of the more intricate Pétalo pattern. Keep half pattern blocks in pairs. This will contribute to more continuity. Structural considerations and wall connecting points are necessary to increase the visual impact of the wall. We kept all of the technical stuff between the wall and the staircase, making the view from this angle absolutely stunning. The mortar joints are also reinforced with rebar, along with cement footing, angle iron supports, and a cement cap, ensuring that the wall will remain strong without compromising its visual appeal. For breeze block installation guidelines or breeze block inspiration, visit clayimports.com or come see us at the San Miguel de Allende Design Studio.